1 Minute Norwegian, Lesson 2.
Welcome back to 1 Minute Norwegian, where I'm teaching you the Norwegian language, 1 minute at a time. My name is Dag, and I'm your teacher for this course. Last time, we learned how to greet people and say goodbye. In this lesson, we'll learn some useful words in Norwegian you'll use every day. The clock is ticking, so let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. In Lesson 2, we'll learn 4 useful words you'll use every day when you're speaking Norwegian. In Norwegian, the word for yes is ja. Repeat this again after me. Ja. Ja. In Norwegian, no is nei. Listen to this again and repeat after me. Nei. Now we're going to look at 2 other important phrases. Please and thank you. It's important to be polite when you're speaking Norwegian. The phrase for please is vær så snill. Listen again. It's a bit more complicated than just saying please. In fact, it literally means be so kind. Vær så snill. One more time. Vær så snill. So to say thank you to someone, you can say takk. Listen again to this word. Takk. One more time. Takk. Excellent. You may also hear takk skal du ha. Listen again to this phrase. Takk skal du ha. It means thanks shall you have, and it's very common. Try it one more time. Takk skal du ha. That's almost all for this show. Don't forget to visit our website on www.oneminute.languages.com. We'll be back again soon with more Norwegian. Before we finish, there are a couple of other things I'm going to mention here. First of all, the word for and in Norwegian is og. And in addition to takk skal du ha, you might hear takk for nå. That means thanks for now. So now I can say thanks for now and goodbye. Takk for nå og ha det bra.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.